Good day, everybody, and thank you so much for joining us for this BVIHSA infrastructure update. At the BVIHSA, we believe strongly that a solid infrastructure is the basis for great healthcare, and that is precisely why we want to provide you with an update on all the projects that are happening here at BVIHSA, keeping the community informed. Dr. Samuel, how you do?
I'm good. I'm happy to see all of these projects taking off. It's great. It's a great feeling.
Absolutely. And we're standing in front of two large pieces of equipment. These are the chillers. And they've been on the ground for a minute, but I think we're finally on our route to get them on the roof, right?
Certainly are. So the chillers are going to be installed. Come next week, the cranes will be here. And once the cranes are here, this parking lot is going to be closed off completely for access. So we need the public to listen out to know how they can safely access all of our buildings.
Right. So next week, the parking lot will be closed off.
Yes.
And obviously persons will be directed as to new access. And obviously potential parking, they may need to get out early. But we'll provide that update. In addition to the chillers going on the roof, we are also working on the generator connectivity project. Talk to us about that.
So the generator connectivity is about the installation of transfer switches so that the whole campus is connected to our generators. One set of generators, so that during periods of power outage we have a smooth transition as it relates to provision of electrical services for the whole campus.
Right.
And in doing that, what we're doing is we're getting rid of two obsolete generators that were not fully functional, that supported the annex section of the building.
Got you. And then we also are looking at the additional infrastructure work happening on the building itself, the Dr. D. Orlando Smith Hospital.
So the Dr. D. Orlando Smith building has been, we've been using the building for several years. And of course, during the hurricanes, we would have had some damage. And so what is happening now is that there's complete maintenance of the building itself. So if you come, you will notice that the building is being cleaned. Areas where there has been cracks are being repaired, and the whole building will be sealed to make it, and sealing around the windows so that the infrastructure is properly waterproofed. And then of course later on you will see the erection of the new sign.
Yay!
And there'll be the official naming of the building to the Dr. D. Orlando Smith Hospital. All of these enhancements are in keeping with our strategic priorities. They're being done in collaboration with the Ministry of Health through the RDA, and it's a part of our overall goal to ensure that we deliver care that is safe, that is client-centered, and within all of our facilities that the environment is safe for our staff and patients alike.
So that's just an update on the infrastructure improvement works going on here at the Dr. D. Orlando Smith Hospital campus. And we encourage you to stay tuned as we continue to provide updates on the progress and also how you will be impacted as it relates to parking and access to the facility as the work continues. Dr. Samuel, thank you so much for stopping by and helping me to update the community on the amazing work being done.
Thank you, Damien, for keeping the public in the loop, and we ask for your continued support as we move on to bigger and better things.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.